Hi guys, I'm here with the Ram today and it's time to upgrade the headlights on it. So I'll be swapping the factory halogen bulbs for aftermarket LEDs. So let's get started. So before I get started, let's take a look at the factory bulbs and see how they perform on the road. Here we can see they work pretty decent despite the slightly yellowish light. Now I'm going to be installing a set of AUTOONE 13S series high performance LEDs. These claim to be 5 times brighter than the factory bulbs and have a double panel design and light source arrangement that is extremely close to that of halogen bulbs, so there should be no dark areas. They have an external driver and built-in cooling fan, which makes the bulb more stable and should help it last longer. So I'm going to start with the passenger side headlight first. If you'd like more step-by-step instructions on how to remove the Ram headlights, you can find a link to another video I made in the description below. With the headlight pulled forward slightly, I can access the headlight cover and back, which I turn counterclockwise and remove. Next, I pull the factory bulb out of the headlight and unplug it. And plug in the new LED bulb. Now I take a minute to check the alignment of the bulb. We can see as the bulb is put in and rotated and locked in place that the position of the lights are at the 9 and 3 positions, which should give us the best lighting. This one looks like it's aligned correctly, but if it wasn't, we could use the supplied hex wrench to adjust the angle of the lights. I turn on the headlights to be sure the polarity is correct and the light works. Then I use a little rubbing alcohol and a rag to clean a spot on the inside of the headlight housing to attach the plastic casing with some 2-way tape. Then I replace the back cover and wiggle the headlight back into place. I engage the lock on the back of the light assembly, replace the 2 bolts, and then the radiator cover. Now I'm going to move on to the driver's side. First, popping up the radiator cover, removing the 2 bolts, releasing the lock, then pulling the headlight forward. I swap out the bulb, verify the alignment, and test the headlights. Then bolt the headlight back in place and we're done. Now let's go for a drive and see how they work. Well, my first impressions are they're very bright and very white. They seem much clearer and to shine further than the factory bulbs. But let's do a side-by-side comparison. Here we can see the road is illuminated much further in the distance and much wider. The road detail is also clearer and brighter. So I think these LED bulbs are a great upgrade for the Ram. So much better than the dingy factory bulbs, and the install was quick and easy. If you're thinking of upgrading your headlights and you'd like to get your own set of AUTOONE LED bulbs, visit AUTOONELED.com and use discount code NHBH to save 15% on your order. Well, that's going to be it for this install. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.